Welcome back to this video. In recent time, there was an update on 1688 Chinese shopping app, which has to do with Assistant AI Shopping Tool. Assistant AI Shopping Tool is an inbuilt app on 1688 shopping app that allows every buyer on 1688 to use the AI Assistant Shopping app to do whatever they want to do as far as 1688 shopping app navigation, sourcing for supplier, how to do some stuff without any stress using the assistance of inbuilt AI tool in 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, or Pinduoduo, or IDoFish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. In today's video, you are going to learn how to use the latest update of AI Shopping Assistant on 1688 and see how to navigate, how to get the manufacturer, how to do anything as far as shopping is concerned on 1688 Chinese shopping app with whatever language you understand. So let's see. So the very first thing we want to do is to simply open up our 1688 shopping app. All right, so having opened up your 1688 shopping app, you may not see the AI shopping assistant on the home page like this. So you will need to simply click on your profile right here. So when you click on that, that is when you'll be able to see the AI shopping assistant, just like here. As you can see, it's going to be on your screen in any part of your phone. And basically, you need to make sure that your 1688 shopping app has been updated with the latest version before you can see this particular AI shopping assistant, just like so. So what we want to do now is to simply click on the AI shopping assistant. So when you click on it, it's going to load up just like so. So we are still on 1688 shopping app. Now you can speak any language to this particular AI shopping app on 1688. So let's take a look at English language. So I'm going to ask, hello, can you please show me direct manufacturers of shoes with at least 4-star reviews, just like so. Then we click on here to send the chart. So in a few seconds, you can see it's going to show us manufacturers of shoes. We can swipe and see more, or better still, we can simply click on here. Then everything is going to load up just like so. These are all manufacturers of shoe with at least 4-star rating. So we can simply click on any of the store right here, and we check on their store details such as rate of return, store review, and the likes. So just like so. So you can see right here that this particular store here is aggregate of 4-star rating. All right, so let's ask the AI another question. So I'm going to come here. I'll paste another question here. Hello, can you please tell me how to copy product link on 1688? And I will send. So we have the result right here. It's as simple as that. So this is a 1 to 6 step on how to copy product link on 1688. Alternatively, if you don't know how to type, you can speak. Use this camera, use this microphone icon right here just to speak with the AI, and then you ask your question, and it's going to record your voice and provide the right solution to your question. Then we want to see how we can use another language to speak with this particular AI. So what we want to do here is to make sure we exit from here. Then we need to make sure we have Google Translate on our phone. Let's for instance, so I'm going to click on Google Translate. Google Translate is a free app that you can simply get from Google Play Store if you are using Android phone. If you are using iPhone, you can get it on your App Store. It is a free app that allows you to communicate in different languages. Okay. Now, having opened up your Google Translate, so I'm going to make this to be English language. Then I'll make this to be Arabic language. I'm going to choose Arabic language. Then I'll come here, I'll click and put down, I'll paste my text right here. Now everything has been drastically converted to Arabic. Then I'll click on here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to copy the Arabic text. Then I have to go back to my 1688 AI chat box. So I'll have to come here, paste the Arabic language, then I'll send. Let's see the results. Just like so, it's as simple as that. So this AI here can simply teach you anything about 1688 Chinese shopping app. What you need to do is to enter your prompt and wait for the result. It can teach you how to source for an item, just like the first example, how we source for factory direct, at least with 4-star review, and how we can copy product link. You can literally ask AI anything to solve for you as far as 1688 AI shopping assistant is concerned. So I hope you really got value for this and you find this update interesting. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about China importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.